Your liver can only process 1 standard drink per hour, but with mad science, I'm gonna show you what we can do to actually speed up this process. Let me make this as simple as I can for you simple-minded goblins. You drink alcohol. This right here is 14 grams of pure alcohol. It starts a clock, and it starts the alcohol metabolism process. Now, unfortunately, in the human body, you can't just get rid of alcohol. Your liver uses an enzyme called ADH to break alcohol down into something called acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde is 20 times more toxic than alcohol is itself. Just look at that. It's yellow, it's nasty, it looks toxic. Then your liver uses an enzyme called ALDH, and this ALDH will actually break this acetaldehyde down into something called acetate, which is basically just non-toxic vinegar, and then you pee this out in your urine. Your liver can only process 1 standard drink per hour. This is what your liver normally processes alcohol like. This is what you can process it like with mad science. All right, so we drink the alcohol again, and the ADH enzyme is going to convert the alcohol into acetaldehyde, but you can actually take an amino acid called L-cysteine. And in the presence of acetaldehyde, L-cysteine will actually bind to this acetaldehyde and form a non-toxic compound called MTCA, and that is going to neutralize this acetaldehyde, and then you're going to pee this out in your urine as well. This allows you to break down acetaldehyde faster through 1 convenient product and 3 convenient capsules that you take with or as close to your last alcoholic beverage of the evening as possible. Now let me show you where you can get this magical elixir. Cheers Your Stores are after alcohol aid. You take this after drinking but before going to bed, and what that's gonna help do is reduce this acetaldehyde from your peak. Inside of it, there is a patented combination of DHM and cysteine, and what that's going to allow you to do is break this acetaldehyde down faster so that you feel better the next day. But wait, there's more. We can speed this up even faster with a flavonoid called DHM. Typically, our liver is going to process this acetaldehyde through the enzyme ALDH into acetate, and then we pee this out in our urine, but there is a flavonoid called dihydromyrecittin, or DHM for short, and it will actually speed up the enzyme activity of ALDH. If you combine DHM with L-cysteine, then through 2 distinct mechanisms of action, we can actually speed up the rate of acetaldehyde clearance, which is ultimately going to neutralize far more of this acetaldehyde far faster, and then we are going to pee this out in our urine. Since airing on Shark Tank, Cheers is now in over 30,000 brick and mortar retail locations, and this right here is our value pack, which you can get on TikTok Shop or that website run by Jeff Bezos for just $3 a dose. To use Cheers Restore, just take 3 capsules after your last alcoholic beverage or before going to bed to support your liver and feel better the next day. Our claim to fame is that you will feel 50% better the day after drinking alcohol. What does that mean? 2 drinks will feel like 1 drink the next morning when you wake up. Let's show these spirits who's boss.